How to split 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz on TELUS Router. So what you're gonna do is to make sure you have access to your router, since you're gonna go to your preferred browser and type in this first: 192.168.1.254 or 192.168.0.1. So it's gonna depend on what it says in your router. Once you've entered the correct one, you will be able to enter this page. You're gonna have to log in first, and to find your username and password, the default is usually at your router. It could be at the bottom of your router, the back of your router, and in this router, it's right here. As you can see, it's a bad circle, but you should be able to see it right here. It will say the username or the admin name, the admin password, or the admin setting, which is going to be either of these. Now, go ahead and log in. If that is the first time you've logged in, it will ask you if you want to change your password. You could if you'd like. So you just put in your old password, which was the default. New password, you can then confirm it. But once you're done with all of those setup, you can go here, which is the wireless setup. Inside wireless setup, you're going to have to go here, which is smart steering. In smart steering, make sure you disable this and then press on apply. Now what you're gonna do now is to just change the name of the 5 gigahertz and 2.4G as well. So change the SSID name, press on apply. Next, you toggle frequency 5G over here, and then change the SSID name as well. You could use a custom key or a passphrase if you like, but if not, the default one will be here. Then just go ahead and press on apply. You can then save the settings, wait for your router to restart, reconnect your devices, but that is pretty much it. Hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.